Ville jeune et étudiante, Leeds est la 4e métropole de l'Angleterre après celle de Londres, de Manchester et de Birmingham. Considérée comme une des plus festives du pays, Leeds est aussi une ville multiculturelle, jalonnée d'espaces verts. Charlotte et Yves-Lise, deux vidéastes lilloises, sont parties à la découverte de cette ville jumelée à Lille depuis 1968. Leeds est-elle une ville anglaise comme les autres? La jeunesse y tient-elle une place importante? Premiers éléments de réponse avec le service des relations internationales de la ville de Leeds.
And what do you think about Leeds?
I enjoy living here. I think it's quite a lively modern city, but I also like the fact that it's very near the countryside. So even though it's quite a big city, you can get within 10 minutes out into really beautiful scenery, and that's a really good thing, I think, for quality of living.
What are the main differences between Manchester, Leeds and Liverpool?
And Liverpool, okay. Well, they're all really interesting cities. I think you'll probably know that Manchester and Liverpool have much better football teams than Leeds, so that's something that doesn't go down very well in Leeds. Liverpool is a port city, so it's got quite a different atmosphere to it. Manchester and Leeds have quite a rivalry, and they both try to be sort of the centre of the north.
What do you think about the project between Lille and Leeds?
This project?
Yeah, what do you think?
I think it's a very good project. It shows us the differences between young people, not just in Leeds and Lille, but all over Europe. And it shows us what we have in common as well, which is an important thing, I think.
À l'image de Lille, Leeds est une ville étudiante où près de 30 000 jeunes y poursuivent leur cursus universitaire. Afin d'en savoir plus, nous rencontrons Ben Filcher, membre de l'association des étudiants de Leeds. Il nous confiera qu'étudier à Leeds, et en Angleterre en général, reste cher, parfois à plus de 10 000 € par année. Il partagera son point de vue sur l'Europe et sur la place de son pays dans l'Union européenne. Généralement, la jeunesse, favorable à l'entrée de l'Angleterre dans l'Union, s'oppose à une population plus âgée, plus conservatrice, désirant garder une certaine forme d'indépendance face au reste du continent. Si le prix des études reste un frein pour les jeunes, il existe d'autres moyens de se professionnaliser. Certains le font seuls et d'autres par le biais d'associations comme Studio 12, plateforme multimédia qui donne à la jeunesse les moyens de s'exprimer.
A production facility for young people aged 16 to 30, and we operate a facility that's free for those people to come in and produce anything from video production through to web design, through to animation, a place basically where people can experiment with new technology. You know, people come through the door and they might want to make a music video, and that's kind of the majority of the videos that we'll do. But it might be a video that's around something like knife crime. Maybe it's something about a religion. Maybe it's about an immigration issue.
I'm a MC, rapper, producer, video editor, more or less anything related to music, the kind of industry from Leeds. 5 years ago, the sort of music I'm doing was just getting going, and now we've actually got onto the platform where everyone can come in and we can, like I said, we can use the surroundings and we can get to grips and we can actually get taught of what we're doing without joining a college course. So obviously college courses cost a lot, and a lot of people are struggling out here. So we've got to sort of make the most in here, which is it's a good.
Le soir, la ville met ses habits de lumière afin de nous proposer une des plus intenses vies nocturnes d'Angleterre. Certains investissent les restaurants qui jalonnent la ville et d'autres les pubs où la retransmission d'événements sportifs est omniprésente. Plus tard dans la nuit, Leeds la festive nous démontre que sa réputation n'est pas usurpée. Mais l'euphorie, le strass et les paillettes n'empêchent pas les jeunes de nous livrer leurs sentiments sur leur ville. Tous seront unanimes pour nous confier qu'il existe plusieurs jeunesses à Leeds et qu'ils sont tous fiers de leur ville, exemple d'une multiculturalité réussie. Le lendemain, Leeds la festive se réveille doucement, recouverte de neige. Et c'est loin du centre que Dave Fletcher nous montre une facette plus urbaine des quartiers de la ville. Ce photographe autodidacte et indépendant partagera avec nous sa passion pour les graffitis, l'art urbain et nous donnera son point de vue sur la ville.
Leeds, there's been a lot of 80s fashion, so people dressing like they did in the 80s, and I feel that the graffiti culture's sort of followed suit. So, like the graffiti earlier, a lot of that is very 80s sort of orientated. It's safe. it's cultural. Like there's a lot of whatever music you like, there's something for you. There's always gigs. There's a lot of good development. Yeah, it's nice. It's cool. It's nice.
Okay. And do you think that Leeds is a young city?
With the student population, yeah.
Right.
It is. Yeah, the majority of people here are quite young. The further out you go, the more it changes. But close to the city centre, because it's such a big student town, everywhere is dominated by young people.